This drug is one of the Hahnemannian greatest antisoric remedy. It is one of the Hahnemannian greatest remedy in chronic disease, especially adapted to the females who are very melancholic, who are very moody, who are profound sad, people who are prone to depression, people who wants to be alone, such females. It is also for the females who are unable to conceive, the sterile female. They always have excessive vaginal secretions, so they are unable to conceive, such females. It is adapted to females who always require an umbrella. They cannot tolerate the heat of the sun. It is for the child or infant who cannot tolerate the milk. The milk causes diarrhea. So this is a combination of two substances. It has got carbon elements, carbon group, and it has got sodiums. So this is a natrum carb. It has got slowness, it has got comprehension difficulty, it has got sluggishness, it has got wants to be magnetized, attention seeking of carbons, it has got moody, gloomy, sadness with suicidal tendency whenever they listens to music, people who are highly sensitive to the sound of natrum. That is natrum carb. Natrum carbonicum, commonly known as natrum carb. Common names are sodium carbonate. It is also known as washing soda or soda ash and soda crystals. It is an inorganic compound with the formula Na2CO3. It is a white water soluble salt, a strongly alkaline taste, and gives moderately alkaline solutions in water. So this is one of the natrum group of remedy. We have got many drugs from the natrum group. Well-known remedies are natrum mur, natrum carb, natrum phos, natrum sulf, etc. Like that list goes many. And majority of the natrum group are hot patient, but natrum carb thermally chilly. Otherwise it has got very similar to natrum muriaticum, but it is thermally chilly. All the natrums in general stimulates the cellular activity and increases the oxidation and metabolism. It has been proved by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. It is one of the Hahnemannian greatest antisoric remedy of chronic diseases. This is a short introduction about natrum carb. Washing soda or sodium carbonate. It is much used in the allopathic school of practice as a remedy for acidity of the stomach. Just like magnesium salts are used in the modern system as a salt for acidity, similarly sodium carbonate is used in the modern system as a remedy for acidity. It is also used by the physicians of the school in eczema. For instance, in a case in which there is a chronic thickening of the skin, the affected parts are washed with carbonate of soda, then the thickening of the skin will relieve and the scalings will relieve. That was the earlier uses of sodium carbonate. Carbonate of soda has also been used as an external application in burns, eczema, and it is also used as a nasal wash and also used as a vaginal wash. If at all there is a catarrh of the vagina or catarrh of the nose, it has been used as a cleaning agent. Otherwise, generally a sodium carbonate on non-medical use, it is used as a washing agent. Medically in olden time used as a remedy for the acidity, eczema, external washes of the skin, for the burns. These are the few uses of sodium carbonate in the field of medicine. Natrum carb forms the alkaline basis in most of the soaps, and most persons know by experiences the effect of using a soap with excessive of alkali. It almost burns off the superficial layer of the epidermis and leaves the skin a dry and cracked appearance. We might have seen many of the women after washing particular detergents, they get skin peeling off, or after using particular uh, washing powder, they getting the peeling of the skin, or the skin is getting very sensitive. This all mainly because of excessive alkaline in that. The provings, while developing in natrum carb, it is found that it's a remedy of great polycrest importance and confirms its irritating action, and shows natrum carb is a true remedy for chapped hands and faces, rough and dry skins, eczemas, herpes, warts, and scrofulous conditions of the skin. These all things are confirmed by proving of natrum carb. Washing soda has been used in the manufacturing of glass industries, paper industries, and soap industries. It is also used to manufacture of the borax. It has been used as a cleaning agent, and it has been used to remove the permanent hardness of water. These are the other uses of natrum carb. You can see a natrum carb crystal. It has got action on mucous membranes, it has got action on the skin, it has got action on the digestive organs, it has got action on our mind, it has got action on the joints, especially ankles, it has got action on the female reproductive organs, it has got action on head. These are the main sphere of action of natrum carb. Just like our natrum mur, natrum carb is adapted to the person, especially females who are most of the time gloomy, people who are very moody, people who are very melancholic, without any reason. We have a natrum mur. There are reasons for becoming gloomy, there are reasons for becoming moody, because maybe mainly because of disappointed in love or disappointed in relationship. But natrum carb, otherwise generally they are gloomy, profound gloomy, very sad, adapted to the people who are light-haired person of leucoplagmatic constitutions, adapted to the people who has got aversion to open air and dislike to do any exercise. Just like a carbon group, carbon people are very sluggish, they doesn't want any exertions, they want to sit quiet. Similarly, this natrum carb also, they doesn't like any exercise at the level of mind and at the level of physicals. It is adapted to the people who are imbecile, people who are very dull, people who are emaciated like natrum, people who are anemic, people who are bloating are the prominent effect of natrum carb, and also adapt to the people who have got swelling and induration of the gland. These are the general adaptability of natrum carb. Let us see some of the most commonest keynote indication of natrum carb in our day-to-day practice. The first indication comes is a marked debility, the great debility. For the debility, we have got plenty of drugs. We have got acid groups, we have got nosodes, we have got arsenic. But here the debility is mainly because of summer heat. Otherwise they are fine. The heat of the sunlight produces marked debility in them, like antimicrodum, lachesis, glonine. They cannot tolerate the heat. There is a chronic effect of sunstroke with marked exhaustion. From the least effort, even the mental and physical effort produces weakness, and they are ready to drop after a walk. We have a remedy, muriatic acid. The person is so weak, person will drop into the chair. We have got phosphoric acid, they are mentally weak. We have got arsenic alb, they are marked weakness and prostration. Carboveg, they are very weak and debilitated, emaciated, especially in the end stage of disease. Like that, remedies are plenty, but here debility is not due to any other pathology. Here the debility is mainly because of summer heat. The second indication of natrum carb comes about emaciation. Just like I have said in the earlier that natrum is a remedy, generally people who are emaciated, natrum mure, natrum carb. So they are emaciated with pale face and blue rings, especially around the eyes, like Sina. With dilated pupil, a dark urine, they are anemic with great weakness. For the emaciations, we have got abrotonum. For the emaciation, we have got sanicula. For the emaciation, we have got lycopodium. So like that, remedies are many. Here the main emaciations because of anemia. There is a pale face with marked weakness. The third indication of natrum carb comes in the management of headache. Headache from slightest mental exertion, headache from the sun, or headache from working under the gaslight like glonine, lachesis, headache with tension in the nape or the occiput, headache before menses, where the person feels head is large as if it is going to burst out, like glonine, like lachesis. Natrum carb is also used in the management of nasal catarrh. Natrum group is generally a remedy for coryza, sneezing, allergic rhinitis. Here, nasal catarrh, which is extending to the posterior nares and to the throat, which leading to constantly hawking with a much thick mucus from the throat, which is very profuse during the day and it gets stopped at the night, like Naxomica. Aggravation by slightest draught of air. So for the nasal catarrh, we have got many drugs. You can think this symptom. There is a more of posterior nasal discharges, postnasal dripping. They are profuse and sometimes it is yellowish in color, like our Calibacrumicum, like Hydrastis, like Pulsatilla, like Naxomica. But slightest draught of air we say aggravation, which is opposite of Pulsatilla. Another indication of natrum carb person, as I've said in the adaptability, they are intolerably melancholic with great apprehension, always in a sad, always in a gloomy mood. They are fully occupied with a sad thoughts. Ignatia, Sepia, profound sadness. It's not just sadness, extreme sadness with marked depression and melancholics. They avoid people. They doesn't want to meet things. They just wants to be alone. They wants to remain silent. They are always in a sad, deepest thought. So this is an excellent remedy for the people who are profound depression, people who are always sad, with or without reason. People who are a melancholic, a 3-mark indication. Next indication, the person who cannot tolerate the thunderstorms. They get attack of anxiety and restlessness before the thunderstorms. There are many drugs for the thunderstorms attack before the thunderstorms. Sorinum, phosphorus, rhododendron, silesia. And they also get complaints both before and during the thunderstorms, like phosphorus, petroleum, sorinums. Slightest weather changes, they get palpitation. Slightest weather changes, they become anxious. We need to compare phosphorus, rhododendron, silesia, petroleum, sepia. Next indication of natrum carb is they are highly sensitive to music. The music is intolerance, like graphitis, sabina, ambergris. They are so sensitive to the music. Music is penetrating. Music is somewhere piercing them. Because of their sad nature, because of their moody nature, because of their gloomy nature, they doesn't like music at all. Opposite of this person who likes music is tarantula. Next indication, which is very similar to sulfur, a sinking sensation or empty organ sensation in the stomach, especially at 10 to 11 a.m. Sulfur, and which is relieved by eating is natrum carb. These are the other keynote indication of natrum carb. Natrum carb is a remedy also indicated diarrhea from drinking milk. Milk intolerance, there are many drugs, but here the milk causes diarrhea. calcarea carb, magnesium mure, kali carb, sepia, nicolam, sulfur. And person also has got aversion to milk. The stool is like a pulp of orange. This is a very peculiar key indication. Stool is like a pulp of orange, like yellows, china. So generally the natrum, they doesn't like milk. Milk causes diarrhea, milk causes stomach pain, and they generally has a aversion to milk. Next indication, thick yellow, green and offensive, musty, hard discharge from the nose, especially of posterior nasal discharge, which ceases after a meal. Many of the complaints, they better by eating. The nasal discharge otherwise so profuse, yellow, thick and highly offensive. The moment they start eating, the nasal discharges are better. Natrum carb is an excellent remedy for the varieties of female complaints. One such complaint is there's a marked bearing down sensation. We have got many drugs as if something is coming out from the vagina. Something is pushing down, bearing down sensation, as if everything would come out from the vagina, like agaricus, like Lilium tigrinum, murex, sepia. There's a marked heaviness at the genitals, which is aggravation by sitting and better by moving, like Lilium tig. Person is always restless, wants to move around. For bearing down sensation, we have another remedy, belladonna. Next indication, it is an excellent remedy and is highly verified in the practice. Even I have given in my practice. Is a remedy for sterility. There is a lack of retention of semen due to excessive discharge of mucus from the vagina after an embrace. A lady always a vaginal discharge. There is a profuse discharge from the vagina. That is the reason semen is unable to enter inside the uterus, because the full of discharge, the semen will come out. That is indication of natrum carb. Sterility because of lack of retention of semen due to excessive discharge from the vagina. That causes semen to lysis. Next indication, the menses is always late and the menses is scanty and it is like a meat washing, like nitric acid. The 14th keynote indication of natrum carb, which is very similar to many of the drugs, there is a easy dislocation of ankle or easy spraining of the ankle. These symptoms you might have heard in many drugs like ledum, carboinimalis, natramure, causticum, ruta. The ankle is so weak that it gives away while walking, or foot bends under while walking. So most of the time these are the individuals, very oftenly they get a sprain or twisting of the ankles. So we need to differentiate ruta and we need to differentiate carboinimalis. We have each constitutional features to differentiate. So natrum is usually a moody person. Natrum carb is very often a moody or gloomy persons. People who are very weak and debilitated. People who are very dull. People who doesn't want to do any mental exertion. And such individuals are prone for easy dislocation of ankle or easy spraining. Then you can think of natrum carb. Another feature which is very similar to many of the remedies like Asarum europaeum, like Theridion. Person is highly sensitive, especially to the noise, oversensitive in hearing. Even a little noise seems enormous, like a thunder. Even the crumpling of paper seems like a crashing of a waterfall. A small sound which impact is so big. It even causes palpitation, it even causes irritability and melancholic. You can imagine a person, they cannot bear any sound, they cannot bear any noise. A small paper scratching or paper is turning the paper, which causes like a big waterfall like sound, which causes palpitation, irritability, and melancholy. You need to differentiate. Like Theridion. Theridion is also a person. They cannot bear the sound. Slightest sound, it has been described that it penetrates even to the teeth. It even penetrates the whole body, and it causes nausea and vertigo, especially while closing the eyes. That is a Theridion. We have Sabina. Even your music is so sensitive that causes nervousness, even it goes to the bone marrow. We have Asarum europeum, even the person who's the sound of the footwear, the sand on the footwear, that much sensitive they are, that also causes various troubles. We have sepia. So like that, you need to differentiate. Here the person is highly sensitive. Next indication is a dry cough when coming to warm rooms. We have a Rustox from out of doors. The person, when from the cold to warmth room he enters, he'll get a dry cough. Cough with coldness of the left side of the breast. This is concomitant with the cough. Another indication, the person is inability to think or perform any mental labor. The person who is very dull, he is unable to use his mind, almost like an imbecile, which causes, if at all the person uses a mental work, it causes headache, feels stupefied. He has to try to exert himself to understand. The comprehension is very slow and very difficult, like Barretta carb. This is a common symptom of all the carbs. For example, Calcarea carb or Barretta carb or natrum carb. They are generally mentally, they are unable to perform. They are mentally very dull. They are very slow in comprehension. We will try to understand the natrum carb personality. What type of person are natrum carb? So as the drug name itself, it's a combination of natrum and carbon symptoms you can see. We have majority of most of the natrum mute symptoms, like natrum symptoms, very moody, people who are very gloomy, people who are very melancholic, people who are profoundly sad, people who are disappointed, people who are very sensitive. These are the typical natrum group symptoms. Another set, carbon symptoms or carbonate symptoms. So carbon, like Calcarea carb, magnesium carb, or Barretta carb. People who are very slow, people who are very dull, people who are very sluggish, they find difficult to understand. People comprehension is very slow. People who wants some kind of attentions. So this is the symptoms of carbonate and natrums you can see. So generally a natrum carb person who are very gentle, who are very refined, people who are selfless individuals, opposite of lachesis, opposite of sulfur. They are the people who are highly selfish, opposite of epis. People who are generally sympathetic, like phosphorus, like causticum, like magnesium, like natrum mure. People who are highly sympathetic, they can feel the suffering of others. They are the people who are self-contained, people who are very often independent, yet they are very mild. They are the people who are very kind. They are the people who are unselfishly do for others. They have a tendency to sacrifice the things, but at times they have that desires to be magnetized. They want someone should look at them. Someone occupation ameliorates, someone attention gives an amelioration for natrum carb personality. People who are highly sensitive to the sensual impressions, they feel very stupefied if they try to exert. Slightest exertion, maybe at the level of mental, maybe at the level of physicals, leading to highly stupefied. They are mentally very weak and they are very prone to depression. This is the general theme of natrum carb. People who are gentle, people who are selfless, people who are independent, people who have a tendency to sacrifice, people who are very mild, people who wants to be magnetized, people who are highly sensitive, they get highly stupefied by the slightest exertion of the mind and physicals. Natrum carb personalities who doesn't want have any mental exertion. maybe of studying causes headache. So very often they have a problem of using their brain or mind too much. They are the people whose comprehension is very slow, very difficult. It has been described that some books they are like a mentally they are imbecile, like Baraita Kaab, like Buffo. They are the people who are highly sensitive to noise. They get startled from the noise. They become very anxious and restless during the time of thunderstorms. The noise they cannot tolerate. Slightest electrical changes in the atmosphere causes palpitation. It causes irritability. It causes profound sadness. Like a crumbling of paper seems like a crashing of waterfall, which causes irritability, palpitation, and melancholy in this person. They cannot tolerate a music. A music causes great sadness, and they even have a tendency to suicide by the music. That much severe impact the noise and music produces in Natram Kaab personality. Dr. Kent describes the playing the piano is so exhausting that she must lie down. The music causes a great sadness, which finally leading to a religious insanity. People are highly sensitive to the noise, people are highly sensitive to the music, people are highly sensitive to the thunderstorms, and finally leading to a sadness and religious, melancholic and religious insanity. These are the people, they are sensitive to presence of certain persons. Maybe a person, Natram Kaab person, he or she may not like her husband. Natram Kaab personality, Natram Kaab lady may not like her father. They have a specific aversion to certain people in the family. People who are highly hypochondriacal. These are the few of the mental state of Natram Kaab. Natram Kaab has been described by various authors under varieties of themes. Kent is described Natram Kaab in relation to the sadness, melancholic, depressions. Shankaran described Natram Kaab under delusions. Then John Shelton, he described Natram Kaab under the four headings. The first one is a graceful withdrawal. Second one is being slighted or being worthless. The third theme is denial by the society. And the fourth theme is being abandoned. Let us see what John Shelton sees. The first theme, there is a graceful withdrawal. This is a term that can be directly deducted from the group analysis. It is one of the main theme of Natram Kaab, that they would rather be alone in dignity than feel denied by the others. That they want to remain alone when they feel that the situation is not proper, when the people are not respecting him, when the people are not giving importance. So instead of asking them, he will remain alone in a dignity. So he wants to remain in that dignity. He would stick on to that. He would like to remain alone. That is the first theme, that is the graceful withdrawal. Second theme is that they have been slighted, or they feel that they have been worthless. When important is not given to them, then they have that feeling that they are worthless. This is a typical feature of Natram Kaab, where the lonely feeling of Natram, or he wants to remain alone of Natram, and the carbonate feature where the person need appreciation. So when he doesn't get appreciation, when he doesn't get importance, he hold on his dignity in a silence, and he'll go back to a state that he doesn't need any appreciation. Otherwise, they're the people who wants to be magnetized. When his importance is not given, he'll remain a silent with dignity, and he feel that he doesn't require any appreciation. When he feels that there is a total denial of his being, when he is not important, is not given to him, when there is no appreciation from others, So he'll remain in a silence with dignity whenever there is a feeling of worthlessness comes, and whenever there is a feeling of worthlessness state comes in Natram Carb. The third theme of Natram Carb, as per Dr. John Sholton, is denial by the society. That means the idea of not having any value is expressed in this case as not having any value in the society. He or she feels that they have been totally denied by the society. The social environment just doesn't notice you, doesn't think anything of you. It has been expressed that delusion is a separation between himself and others. They feel that they have been rejected by the society and they would rather not have any contact with anyone. They are afraid of people. At the same time, they are afraid of robbers who might take away the little that has been left to them. So that is a theme that they have been denied by the society, which is expressed that they want to be alone. They feel rejected by the society. They are totally scared of people. The fourth theme is being abandoned by the father, or being abandoned by the family, or being abandoned as not having anyone. It is as if he denies his existence by ignoring. They are the people, they go away from the family. They are the people who away from the husband. The lady who doesn't want to be with husband. They got indifferent. They got aversion. These are the various themes where John Sholton described about Natram Carb. Natram Carb in headache. Practically speaking, for the headache, we have got plenty of medicines. We have got different choice of remedies, depends on the various causes. We have basic, commonly utilized remedies like belladonna, bryonia, gluonine, natramur, sanguinaria, spigelia, iris versicolor. Like that, the number are plenty. Some will go to an acute approach, some will go to a constitutional approach, but Natram Carb is mostly a chronic remedy for the people who are chronic sufferers of headache. It is mainly a chronic remedy. It is not a acute remedy like like bryonia. But Natram Carb is given considering the mind and also the causative factor, and more of the people who are suffering from the headache for years together. It is a chronic effect of sun headache or chronic effect of sunstroke. The persons who are suffering from the headache, whenever they got exposure to the sunlight from months and years, the headache from thunderstorm. So this is a rare element which is not seen in other drugs for the headache. So whenever there is a change of weather, whenever there is a storm, this person will get a headache. That is a unique indication of Natram Carb. Element from sunlight. This is a indication which you see in many drugs. So, but more than sunlight, it is a heat, something, the warmth causing a headache. The milk, the cup of milk causes a headache. That is also a unique characteristic of Natram Carb headache, which is not seen in many other drugs. Headache from gaslight, which is seen in gluonine, which is seen in lachesis. Headache from heat, headache from change of temperature, headache from overstudy, like calcarea phos, like picric acid. Headache from mental exertions, like calcarea carb, like bryonia, like belladonna. Headache from music. So this is again a rare element from music causes headache. Most of the time people love music, but this person doesn't like music. The moment you play a music, this person getting headache like aconite. Or even turning the head quickly, which causes headache. These are the various causes which I'm sure definitely will help you to identify the Natram Carb personality in headaches. The location of the headache is mostly on the forehead. There's a sensation of dullness. There's a sensation of confusion. Head feels too large, as if it is going to burst out, like Clonine. There's a pressive fullness in the head, as if the forehead is going to open out. There's a pressive type of headache with nausea, with cloudiness of the eyes. Headache associated with eructations and dimness of sight, which is a common symptom of migraine. Headache is more towards the evening and aggravation in the room. There's a cramp-like tearing pain in the forehead, extending to the eyes and to the point of nose. Even headache associated with coryza, headache associated with cold, also is covered by natrum carb. Natrum carb headache with shooting sometime across the eyes. Maybe it is associated with sinusitis type of headache. There will be stitching type of pain out of the eyes. Headache with shock-like sensation across the head. Headache with pulsative feeling, especially at the vertex, like Clonine, like sanguinaria, like sulfur, like belladonna, especially in the morning time. There's a congestive type of head with heat in the head. There's a tearing type of pain at the exterior part of the head every day at certain hours. There's a drawing type of pain at the right side of the occiput, as if the head has been drawn backward. These are the varieties of sensation of natrum carb. It is my experience about natrum carb is, it is not the sensation is important. Here, important is the etiology and also the duration. With the natrum personalities, where the persons who is very gloomy, people who are melancholic, people who are very sad, people who are highly sensitive, people who feel they doesn't want, the people who are feels lonely, people who are highly sensitive to the music, and such individuals, whenever they go out in the sun, whenever they get exposure to the heat, whenever there's a change of weather, with more towards the chilly, are the indication of natrum carb. The concomitant with the natrum carb headache is a hair fall. Modalities in general: aggravation by heat, aggravation by sunlight, aggravation by noise, aggravation music, aggravation milk, and even the change of weather. Amelioration by eating. So headache is ameliorated by eating. The moment they are empty stomach, headache is aggravation. Headache is also amelioration by movement, which is opposite of bryonia. Headache is also amelioration by pressure, which is similar to bryonia. So that's how we can differentiate bryonia, headache, and natrum carb is also an important remedy for various female complaints, maybe of mental level or maybe of physical levels. Sterility is one of the constitutional state in a woman where she is unable to conceive, which is the most important part of her life. Especially sterility in women who are very nervous, woman who is very cold knees and elbows, highly chilly person, cold body in the winter, but at the same time she cannot tolerate sun heat. The woman who is always tired, slightest mental exertion or physical exertion leading to headache. Woman who is very nervous, excitable, woman who is very lean and dyspeptic woman, she is not at all hysterical. A woman who is very moody, woman who is very gloomy, woman who is very sad, melancholic, she wants some kind of attention. When it's not given, it's end up in various problems. Her menses is too soon or too late, associated with the neuralgias. She is the one who is oversensitive to draft and dampness, especially during the time of menses. She gets spasms and numbness of the leg. Her spine has become very sensitive. Woman who cannot tolerate music or cannot tolerate noise, which even leading to a tendency for suicide. Such individuals, when they get sterility, and natrum carb is an excellent remedy. Here are the various causes of sterility in natrum carb. One is she has got excessive vaginal discharges. Always there is a discharge from the vagina. Vagina is always a wet. There is no amount of semen can retain, because the moment semen during the time of intercourse, the semen will go and it comes out. There is a lack of retention of semen due to excessive discharge of mucus from the vagina. That is one reason in natrum carb for sterility. Second reason, there is a relaxation of the sphincter vagina causing seminal fluid to come out as soon as it has been ejaculated. And that is a second reason for sterility. Third reason for natrum carb sterility is mostly because of mental reason. There may be a spasm of sphincter leading to a clot of blood or mucus shooting from the vagina. So these are the varieties of reason where we can think of natrum carb in females, especially for sterility. It's an excellent remedy in our practice. Etiology of natrum carb. Element from sprain like rustox, ruta, carboinimalis, ledum. Element from anemia. Element from thunderstorms like phosphorus, like sepia, like rhododendron, or like petroleum. Element from sunlight like natrum mur, like glonine, like spigelia, like lachesis. Element from cold drinks when overheated. Element from milk. Element from gaslight. Element from heat. Element from change of temperature. Also element from overstudy and music. These are the varieties of etiology in general for natrum carb for many of the complaints. General modalities are aggravation by music, aggravation in the sun, aggravation by summer heat, aggravation by mental exertion, aggravation by thunderstorm, aggravation by milk, aggravation in the damp, aggravation by change of weather, aggravation by rest, and also aggravation by full moon. Amelioration by eating. Most of the complaints are relieved by eating. Amelioration by pressure, amelioration by rubbing, amelioration by scratching, and also very important, amelioration by moving. These are the general aggravation and amelioration of natrum carb. Some of the stalwarts in the field of homeopathy, they said a key indication of natrum carb. In children with milk upsets and causes milk diarrhea accompanied by a thrush, there is a key indication of natrum carb, as said by Dr. D.M. Borland. Borland is a very famous physician of pediatric cases. Dr. Moore says, in obstinate case of sterility, think of natrum carb. This is the summary of natrum carb. Combination of sodium and carbon. It has got action on the mind, mucous membranes, digestive organs, ankles, female reproductive organ, and head. So it has got action on the head and digestive organ. Wherever the action is there, it will produce a spasm and leading to headache, which is aggravated by sunlight and heat. On the mucous membranes, it generally increases the secretion, maybe of increased secretion from the nose or increased secretion from the vagina, which leading to a sterility in female, excessive secretion. There is excessive secretion in the nose, especially on the posterior nares. There is a constant postnasal dripping, which is sometimes yellowish in color. The person is very sensitive, the person is very weak, both at the level of mentally and physically. Weakness at the level of mind leading to difficulty to understand. Comprehension is very slow, which is a feature of carbonates. Weakness at the physical level leading to there is a bearing down sensations. Weakness of the ankle leading to easy sprain or easy dislocation of the ankle. There is a weakness in the digestions, leading to milk intolerance. The milk causes diarrhea. The diarrhea is like a pulp of orange. You see on the left side, on the mind, the person who is very moody, gloomy, people who are profound sadness, they wants to be magnetized. The people who are very sensitive to the thunderstorms, people who are very sensitive to the music leading to a suicidal tendency. This is in nutshell about natrum carp.